So I've just done 3.5 hours driving straight. There's a fly here. We're at the Ettamogah Pub. It's right near Albury-Wodonga. Kai wanted to go here. I'll turn around so you can see the pub behind me, but I will get some footage of the pub. Yeah, pretty much 3.5 hours. This is almost halfway-ish. About 7.5 hours today. So we'll come in here, have some lunch, have a drink, and then probably one more stop along on the way. This fly's bugging me. But this pub, Kai's probably got some more information. This pub is what?
So this pub is based on a cartoon that was in a newspaper or a magazine or something.
There you go.
A guy named Ken, he made the cartoon series, and then someone in the 80s decided to make the pub out of that cartoon series into an actual pub, like a real life pub.
There you go. And it has mixed reviews online. There's some good ones and there's some bad ones. So we'll go in and try it out and give it a review and see how the food is and see how the drink is. So we're just going to have a little walk around the area before we go inside. They do lunch from 11 till 2:30, and we've rocked up basically exactly on 11, so we'll give them a couple of minutes to get ready. This place here is for lease. So all this stuff looks like it's empty. Nothing going on here.
It's currently up for sale.
For sale. This one here says for lease. No smoking. It looks like there's an old barbecue or something over here as well. Yeah, an old 4-burner barbecue. There's like a parrot or something over here. I think I saw a windmill. There's some old wheels and things like that. So there is a sign at the front of this one. So it looks like it used to be a vintage market. Vintage market in there. Huh. Kind of saw some people, said there's some people in there. Should we head into the pub? How big it is? What's that? Well, thank you. Oh, windy out there. Yeah, I saw that when we were walking before. We're not too early for food.
Chef starts cooking in about an hour.
In an hour, okay. Maybe we just have a drink. We'll see how we go. See how long she wants to wait. Hey, hun. Chef doesn't start cooking for an hour. Chef doesn't start cooking for an hour. So... Hello? 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 You gonna say something? Hello? Hello, Cocky? You gonna say something? Hello, Cookie. 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 What about you? Can you say something? What can you say? Can you talk? What about you? Hello, Cookie. Hello, Cookie. Yes, I'm not sure if we'll stay for food because the chef doesn't start cooking for an hour. Maybe we'll just get a drink and get something to eat elsewhere. But it's pretty cool to even stop and just have a look. And they got like a half a plane over there as well, like a skydiving team on the back of it. So, just like inside the bar, the toilet, the men's toilets, like every little bit of wall. This is like corrugated iron or aluminium with paint over it, but all the people have scratched their names into it. Even at the urinal, they've all put their names. Some people have even brought texters and done some writing as well. But yeah, it's all scratched into it. Yeah. Yeah, it's a massive place. Kai's coming for a walk out the back, so I'll come out the back here. Kai read online that it opened for lunch 11 to 2:30, like I mentioned out the front. But apparently they don't start. The chef doesn't start cooking till 12. So, given that we're on our way home, we've got a 7.5 hour drive. We're probably not going to wait here for an hour till he starts cooking, then longer for the actual food to come. So we'll probably just get a drink and then hit the road. But I might turn the camera around now because there's some cool items here and we'll have a look at them. This is like old farm equipment. There's another old building here, which is mainly open. Some of it is an enclosed area. But then there's all this undercover kind of open area here as well, which would be cool for like a gathering or a bit of a, set up a man cave or a little bar or something there. That'd be quite cool. More old farm equipment. Looks like an old cart or something by the looks of it. And then there's a bigger one here. Oh yeah, they've got the Ken Maynard Museum. So Ken Maynard was the photo of that guy inside. He's the one that, I guess, started the pub. Maybe he took it over. I'm not sure if he was involved in building the actual building or not, but auto repairs. Looks like there's an old fire brigade truck in here. Look at this thing. How cool is that? Ettamogah Pub Fire Brigade, New South Wales. This thing is cool. Check it out. That thing's cool. And then just in the next one, it looked like there was an old, I don't know, MG or something maybe? I'm not sure what kind of car it is. It's up on a permanent hoist by the looks of it. I'm not sure what that is, but it's old. It's been there a long time. There's an old Ettamogah Pub fire truck here, an old one. Yeah. This was made in England. Dennis Brothers Turbine Fire Engine Manufacturers, Guildford, England. There you go. I start making my way back out to here where we just saw the Ken Maynard Museum building. Not sure if there's anything inside it actually. I thought it might have been empty. Yeah, empty building. Lots of buildings though. What's this? Like a makeshift library. There's all books and stuff in there. But yeah, I guess if you're ever passing through, just near Albury, Wodonga, try and get out of the wind a bit here. But yeah, definitely worth popping in and having a look. The actual pub itself is huge. Maybe go upstairs and have a look. There was 2 levels. See what it looks like from the top. But yeah, lots of outbuildings and old farm equipment and stuff you can come out and have a look at. We'll probably go inside a minute and have a drink and then continue our drive home. So this is the back. You can see it's got some big writing on the side. You can also see there's a car, an old car on top. And Kai was just saying that something to do with the cartoon where there was a big flood and a car ended up on the roof. So I guess they've recreated it and put that up there. But if you actually got kids as well, it looks like there's a decent sized and decent quality playground over here. And there's heaps of seating out the back here. So I'm assuming maybe in summer, maybe in tourist season as well, this gets quite busy. You can see lots of outdoor seating here, which is good. And you can see here there's a kids playground. It's got like a little swing set, little climbing, swinging rope, and also a slide, which is enclosed. Well, there's no gate, but it's enclosed. It's an enclosed area. Back to camera. Come on, camera. Oh yeah, there are all these ones here as well. Look at them. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool.
Magic pad makes really fun. Great for spelling, math, and reading.
Hello. Upstairs there's another bar, some seating areas, and then on this big balcony here lots of tables and seats. Bit of a breeze, but on a really nice day it'd be beautiful up here. Looking over some green area at the far end as well. Looked like I was overlooking some plains.